So guys, welcome to C programming language online live classes. In the previous class, that's nothing but in yesterday's class, we have worked with looping constructs. We have worked with loops. So in today's class, I'll explain you that how to write different programming examples related to loops. So let me open this code blocks ID. So the program what I'm going to explain you is write a program to read one number from the user, write a program to read one number from the user and find number of digits from the number. Okay, write a program to read. So it's like count digits is the program name. Okay, so let me put some title here in the comment lines. Program to count number of digits is the program. And for this, uh, can you tell me that how many variables I require for writing this program? How many variables are required? Just give me an idea. How many variables are required for writing this program? Triveni. Like what I want to do is I want to write a program to read one number from the user and I want to count the number of digits. So can you tell me that how many variables I need to declare? I need to declare two variables. Very good. One is for reading the number. Second one is digits. Like I need to count the number of digits. So I'll initialize both of these variables to 0 first. Okay, now the logic is something like this. Imagine you have taken one number, say 345. You've taken one number, say 345. So from this 345 number, if you want to, like, let me write that number. So if you have taken a number called 345, so if you want to remove this particular digit, like 5 from 345, then what mathematical operation you have to perform? Can you tell me? You have to divide it by 10, am I right? When you divide this 345 by 10, 34 times it will go and like answer is 34. That's nothing but you have removed 5 and you got 34 as the answer. Again, when you divide this 34 by 10, you'll get 3 as the answer. Again, you'll divide this 3 by 10, then finally 0 is the answer. So can you tell me how many times this number 345 has got divided? First time, second time, third time. So every time whenever the number is getting divided by 10, till the number reaches to 0, you keep on incrementing one counter variable. You keep on incrementing that counter variable, and that counter variable will be the number of digits in your program. So just let me know, have you understood this logic or not? Triveni, have you understood this logic? So now we can convert this program, we can convert this logic into a program. So what I'll do is I'll say printf, then I'll say enter a number, and then I'll say scan of percentage %d, comma ampersand of number. And here you should keep on dividing this number by 10, and the result you have to store it in the same variable number. And this process has to be carried out continuously till the number variable becomes 0. So what you can do is you can simply say while the number is greater than 0, you have to keep on performing this operation. You have to keep on performing this operation. So I'll say number equals to number divided by 10, and I'll say d plus plus. D plus plus is like I'm incrementing the variable divider like d. So every time whenever the number is getting divided by 10, the d variable will get incremented. So now imagine if you have inputted the number 345, you have inputted the number 345. Is 345 is greater than 0? Yes, 345 is greater than 0. It will enter into body of the loop, and 345 divided by 10 will get 34, and division is performed once. So d plus plus it will make 1. Control will go up, and this time number is 34. Is 34 is greater than 0? Yes. So again you'll divide the 34 and you'll get 3. So second time also divided, so you'll increment the d variables value. This time control will go up and the number value is 3. Okay. So 3 is greater than 0 as the condition is true. 3 divided by 10, you'll get 0 as the answer. But division is performed, so d will become 3. But this time the number value has become 0, and 0 is not greater than 0. So control will come out of the loop, and here you should print /n the number of digits are percentage d comma, you can say the d value. Okay, and you can run this program, and you can see 345 you'll get number of digits are 3. Again you can run this program, and this time I'll say 12,890, and you can see the number of digits are 5. So Triveni, any doubts in this program? Have you understood this? Got clarity on this? Okay. Now you can share your screen. I'll ask you to write one program and you try that. Because unless and until you don't write programs, then you will never learn the subject. Is it clear? So I'll give you permission to share the screen. You can share the screen. You can start one program, and I'll guide you that how you can write that program. Very good. Very good. So the program, what I want you to write is, write a program to find sum of digits. So suppose if you enter like 345, if you enter 345, then 3 plus 4 plus 5. So I should get the sum of those digits. Sum of those digits. So you try it. If you struck anywhere, I'll help you actually. So first of all, decide how many variables are required. One variable for reading number. One variable is for extracting. One is for sum. One variable is for extracting the remainder, because you need to get the remainder from the inputted number. Okay. Okay. Now, what you have to do is, till that number becomes 0, you need to keep on extracting the remainder from the number and giving it to the sum. And remember, it is always a good programming practice to initialize all the variables to 0 in the beginning. So initialize all the variables to 0. Number equals to sum equals to remainder equals to 0. Yeah, while the number, it's not equal to 0, while the number is greater than 0. Till the number is greater than 0, you want to keep on performing some operation. What is that operation? You need to extract the remainder. Say 345. So you need to find out the sum. So you extract 5 first, then 34 will be left, then you extract 4, then 3 will be left. So remainder equals to the number what we have taken, percentage of 10. Very good. Now you can add this remainder to sum. So once you have extracted the remainder and added to the sum, now what you can do is you can remove that last digit from the number by dividing that number by 10 actually. So number equals to number divided by 10. Okay, that's it. And after coming out of the while loop, you can simply say sum of digits is, and you can print the sum value. Percentage D, and you can print the some variables value. Very good, very good. Fine. So you got sum of digits as 12. Very nice. See, tomorrow, imagine I have explained you this program. I have taught you this program. And later you went for an interview. You went for an interview. An interview, they have asked one question. That is, write a program to uh, read date of birth of a person and find out its lucky number, or write a program to read the vehicle number and find out the lucky number. Is it clear? So first thing what you can do is you can change this. You can change, like you can create a copy of this program, like saying save like lucky number. Lucky number. You can say file save as, and you can save it with the name lucky number. You can go to file menu, click on save as. No, that's the best option is click on save as, or you can copy paste it. Okay. Now, lucky number. Very good. Now, what you can do is first thing you can change that message. Instead of enter a number, you can write there, enter your vehicle number. Vehicle number. Fine. Now, if the user inputs vehicle number as 7930, for example, is it clear? Then, can you tell me what is the difference between lucky number program and sum of digits program? You can unmute and you can answer this. What is the difference between
I don't know, sir.
lucky number and sum of digits? Have you heard about lucky number anytime?
No, sir.
Lucky number is nothing but you need to get a single digit number. Means suppose one vehicle number is 7839. So when you add 7839, can you tell me what will be the total? Or even if you can take your previous example, like 345, what is the sum you got? Sum
12.
12. And again, when you add this 12, 2 plus 1, what will be the digit?
3.
3. So lucky number is nothing but extracting a single digit number from the given number actually. That's we call actually lucky number. Now understood the concept first?
Yes, sir.
So by doing small change in this program, by doing small changes in the program, you can find out the lucky number. So I'll tell you that uh, you press enter key at line number 14. Means you have written a number equals number by 10. Next line, next line. You press enter key there. Now imagine when all the digits from the number, like suppose you have entered one number, like say 345, when all the digits, if you have extracted, then can you tell me at last what will be the value of the number variable? It's very, very important. Means when the for loop, when this while loop completes at last, what will be the value of the number variable? Can you guess and tell me?
34.
No. See, number variables. Suppose you are entering 345. So, first time line number 12, it is extracting remainder. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You'll get 5. That you are adding it to the sum. After that, line number 14, you are saying 345 divided by 10. Can you tell me what is the answer?
34.
34 divided by 10. In second round, what is the answer?
3.
3 divided by 10, third round, what is the answer?
0.
0. So, can you experience that at some point of time, the number is becoming 0? At some point of time, the number is becoming 0. Can you experience this?
Yes, sir.
So, what you can do is, you have to check if the number is 0. Means what? You have added all the digits. Is it that sign? When the number value is becoming 0, it means all the digits you have added to the sum. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then what you have to do is, if the number is 0 and sum is greater than 9, write that condition here. At line number 15, you write the condition. If the number is equal to 0, okay, and sum is greater than 9, that's nothing but you have added all the digits from the given number, okay, and still the sum is a 2-digit number. But lucky number means you should get only the single digit number. So what you have to do is, you have to assign this sum to the number once again. Press enter key there, write floor brackets. Inside this, you assign this sum to the number once again. Means number equals to sum. Okay. And reset the sum to 0 again, because from fresh you have to start the sum. Sum equals to 0. That's it. This one small logic will convert your program into lucky number program. Here you can simply change the message. Instead of sum of digits, you can say your lucky number is. That's it. Number is. Instead of digits, you can write your lucky number is. Okay, and now you can just simply, that's correct. You need not to change anything. You can just simply run the code. So are you getting the lucky number? 3 plus 4, 7.
Yes, sir.
7 plus 5, 12. 2 plus 1, 3. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So have you seen in exhibitions, generally there will be a stall. They'll ask date of birth number and they'll give you some astrology report actually, saying that lucky days for you, lucky colors. Uh, have you seen that? Generally in exhibitions, they'll take some 100 rupees, 200 rupees, and they'll give you some astrology. Have you seen anywhere?
Yes, sir.
Actually, that software is built based upon this particular logic only. How you know? To build such kind of softwares, we need to have a technical person as well as a person who has knowledge on astrology also. Because once you find out the single digit number, then there will be a lot of coding written that if the number is 1, then your lucky colors are red, green, blue. Your lucky days are Monday, Friday, Saturday. Your lucky stones are like diamond, like green. There will be different stones actually. Like this, by doing a lot of research on astrology, they build a software actually. There will be so many parameters, but just I'm giving an idea that the astrology software is also built by writing programs like this only. So to build such kind of softwares, we need to have two people uh, come together for building such applications. One is the person who has complete knowledge of astrology, but he don't know how to put that particular knowledge into software. And there should be some software professional guy who knows the logic, but he don't know what actually the astrology says. This is how actually softwares are built. Got clarity on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write one more program to reverse the inputted number. Write a program to read a number. Write a program to read a number and reverse that number. Means suppose if I enter 321, it should display 123. Is this clear? It should display 123. Try this. If not, I'll help you actually. Uh, See, if you want to reverse a number, what you have to do is you have to extract each and every digit from that number. Okay. And then you have to reverse it. So you need to take one more variable that is like remainder. Very good. Now the first best practice is initialize all the variables to zero first. Number equals to reverse equals to remainder equals to zero. Now what you have to do is it will be the similar kind of logic only while while the number is greater than zero, you have to keep on performing some operation. That operation is extract the remainder from the given number. Imagine you have entered like 123. So you have to extract the remainder from 123. So you can say remainder equals to that number what we have taken percentage of 10. So imagine the number you have entered is 123. So 123 percentage 10, you will get 3 as the remainder. 3 will be stored inside the remainder. And now you have to reverse that number 3. So you can write reverse equals to reverse into 10 plus r. That's nothing but remainder. Now what happened, like reverse is initially 0. 0 into 10, 0 plus remainder. That's nothing but your 3. Because you have only one number. So if you reverse it, it will be like 3 only. Next time, what you can do is number equals to number divided by 10. So like 123 divided by 10, 12 will be the answer. So 12 is greater than 0 as the condition is true. 12 percentage 10, 2 will be the remainder. Now reverse equals to reverse into. Reverse variable contains 3 actually, the previous one. 3 into 10, how much? 30. 30 plus this 2, 32. Next time, 32 into 10, 320 plus 1, 321. So after coming out of the while loop, you can simply print the reverse number is, the reversed number is, and you can print it. And you can print that number variables value reverse. Okay, now you can try it. So are you getting the reverse number?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood or any doubt in this logic? Let me know.
Understood, sir.
Understood. Huh? Now you write one more program, that is write a program to check whether the inputted number is palindrome or not. It is the same logic actually. So first of all, you tell me, do you know what do you mean by palindrome number? Or what do you mean by
Yes, sir.
palindrome?
Yes.
Palindrome words.
If the number is reversed,
It
reversed
will be the
number and
same.
given number is should be same.
Same. Very good. In the same way, we have palindrome words like madam. If you read it from reverse, you'll get the same.
Yes, sir.
Nitin, mom, dad, Malayalam. These are all palindrome words actually. Like this, we can have palindrome numbers also. You only try this, like how to write a program to check whether the inputted number is palindrome number or not.
Sir,
Yeah,
after while loop, the number is changed, sir. How I can check, sir?
means number is becoming zero. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what you have to do is very good, very good. That's good actually understanding. So what you have to do is you have to take one temporary variable actually. So int, you can declare one more variable after reminder like temp. Any variable name you can take it. Okay. And here what you have to do is after line number 8, means after reading that number and before the while loop, what you have to do is you have to assign that number to temp variable. So in while loop what happens, the number variable is getting vanished, means at last the number variable will become 0 actually. So in line number 18 what you have to do is after while loop assign the number what we have already stored in temp to the number variable once again. So you can say temp equals number equals to temp. Now you can compare your number variable with sum. Okay, now we can say not, yeah, reverse. Very good. And you can say it's palindrome, otherwise it's not palindrome. That's it. Check, have you closed the brackets for the main at the last? Okay, so it's palindrome. You can try again by entering another number, which is not palindrome. Very good. So, are you satisfied with the number of programs what we have done today?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great. You can stop sharing the screen. And there are some tasks that you have to do it by your own. Okay, that is very, very important. That is, as I said, you just try to complete this particular course, flow charts and pseudocodes, by this Saturday at any cost, actually. Okay. After that, or along with this, uh, if you get time, you just click on this particular course also, C programming language, like C programming classes. And in this, you can download the course material. In the beginning I have given like a PDF document for the entire course what I am teaching that. And you have to start listening to these video lessons also along with my live classes. So what you have to do is you have to listen to one class, and once the video gets finished, you have to click on next lesson. Once you click on next lesson, then only the second video will open actually. And once you finish all these video lessons, then only you will be awarded with a C programming language certificate. So simultaneously along with my live classes, you start working on introduction to programming, introduction to C language, okay, and getting started with C programming. Up to now, you just try to finish it by Saturday. So you have to complete two courses. One is flowcharts course, and in C programming language, 3 modules you have to complete. Understood? Will you be able to do it? Will you do it by Saturday?
By Wednesday, I can do it, sir.
By Wednesday, both modules.
Yeah,
Both
yes, sir.
modules you can do it. Very
Yes.
good. Very good. Because unless and until if you don't do that, then it's of no use in enrolling the sessions also. Because online live sessions as well as self placed modules also should go side by side. Then only you will see huge change in next 35 days. Okay. So that's it. I'll stop it here. Why? Because tomorrow I'll start with a new topic again, like jump statements and nesting of loops kind of thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So thank you so much, and I'll share the recording in some time in our group. Okay. So bye bye, and wish you all the best.
Sir,
Yeah, please tell me.
ఇంటర్న్షిప్ గురించి చెప్తానన్నారు కదా సార్.
Internship గురించా? Just a minute.